This is the third video in a 4-part video series where I am talking about what it is that our brains are scanning for as we move through the world, and our brains are tracking and taking in all kinds of sensory information about our experiences and about our interactions and even about our own internal experiences. And it's important for us to understand these things because if we don't know what the brain is looking for, then we don't ultimately know what creates a sense of safety inside of us. And it also influences our ability to understand what creates a sense of safety for other people, including our clients that we're working with. And this third one is a really important one. The brain is trying to make sense of the data points that it is taking in. And so when we encounter a situation that doesn't add up, so I call this incongruence in the environment. Something's off. It doesn't make sense. The sensory data or the data or whatever it is that we are tracking, it doesn't add up. Our brains actually go, wait a second, there's something potentially threatening or challenging happening here. And it puts us in a position where we go a little bit more on high alert because we don't know how to make sense of our experience. Now, this can show up in many different ways. This can be that we are interacting with someone and they say one thing and do something different. This can be emotional affect incongruence. So someone says, I'm fine, when they're really not fine and it's clear that they are not fine. This can show up when we are in situations where there are secrets in our environment, where we have a felt sense that something's going on, but we can't quite identify what exactly it is. Those are just a couple examples for you to begin to think about this one that I'm talking about. But incongruence in the environment, the brain wants to put the puzzle together. And when the brain can't make sense of what it is experiencing, the brain is designed to go, wait a second, there's potential danger here in my environment. As clinicians, this is really important because we also need to be aware of our own emotional congruence, incongruence as clinicians, because if we are really understanding this aspect of the brain, we can go one step further to recognize that if we, for whatever reason, are not congruent, that could potentially be registering for people in our world, our clients' brains as, wait a second, what's going on with us. So that's the third thing that the brain is attempting to make sense of, scan for in the environment, all designed to help keep us safe. If you missed the first two, which have to do with physical safety and perceptions in the unknown, make sure you check out those videos and make sure to stay tuned as I share with you the fourth and the last thing that your brain is looking for to help you feel safe.